Bom dia, welcome back.
Look where I am now. A much-earned reward. 2 blocks from my apartment, this beautiful beach. And of course, Eliomar is here. He's buying some sunglasses from a vendor. He's only here until noon, and then he's got to drive back to San Antonio. But my friend from London and her husband Beto and their child are meeting me here at noon. Gonna have the whole day at the beach. I'm not really much of a beach person anymore, but once in a while, especially when friends come visit, it's nice to come out to the beach, as long as I have an umbrella over me to protect me from the sun. It's pleasant sitting out here. There's a nice breeze, the sound of the waves. It's very relaxing. I live in paradise. And I know I've said this before, but I'll say it again. It's incredible how quickly this move happened. Actually, thanks to Eliomar. Everything fell into place really quickly. Very shortly, I'll have everything that I need for my new home. That sunglass vendor who was just here selling sunglasses to Eliomar, he's from Senegal, Africa. I asked him some questions. He's been here for 10 years. His Portuguese sounded perfect to me. I could not detect an accent. Eliomar says he's got a slight accent, but his Portuguese is brilliant. He's a really nice guy. I asked him why he chose Salvador. He thought it was just a cool place, and I'm sure it reminds him of Africa. One of Salvador's nicknames is Africa in Exile, and another nickname is the Black Rome. I can understand why he chose Bahia. I know why I chose Bahia for some of the same reasons. And my friends are here now. Baby Enzo, Beto, and Cassandra visiting from London. And if it's a beach day in Salvador, you gotta have your queijo coalho. It's a standard cheese, kind of melted cheese on a stick. It's a favorite Salvador beach snack. Hey, it's early Saturday morning and we're visiting the São Joaquim market, a traditional market here in Salvador. I love these kind of markets. Let's take a look. I like those baskets. You all know what I'm always looking for. Plants. I love walking through these markets. So colorful, so interesting, so full of life. Not the safest place to be holding a cell phone in my hand, but hey, I do it all for you. Lots of shops in here that sell items related to the Candomblé religion. These are interesting. These, I guess, they're sculptures made out of scrap metal. You can find pretty much everything in this place. I love this place. This is Salvador to me. Stay away, well, you know, don't stay away from the tourist areas, but get out of the tourist areas and come to a place like this, the Mercado São Joaquim. And this mercado is right along the shore of the Bay of All Saints. It's north of the central part of Salvador, near the ferry landing. You can see a ferry boat coming in right there from Itaparica Island. And look at these workers with wheelbarrows. They help shoppers carry their stuff between the market and the car or other forms of transportation. Looks like this guy's fishing. And there, of course, is the port of Salvador, part of the port. Everything in this shop is related to the Candomblé religion. Images of santos, materials used in Candomblé rituals. As I've said before, Salvador's nickname is Africa in Exile. And in this shop like this, you can really see why. Chair used in Candomblé ritual. Imeja. So colorful. Barbershop. The fishing vessels outside of the market, and this little inlet to the Bay of All Saints. Market cat. A pro-Palestine demonstration here in Salvador. Well, thank you for joining me today. And as always, beijo, ciao.